Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to get quick privacy report on the website that you are currently on in Safari on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So what is the privacy report? We have another video on our channel, what it does, how to set it up. So be pleased to search for that video and get to know everything that you need to know about the privacy report. Then let's open Safari and let's say I'm watching the Safari website and now I do want to check the privacy report. So now what you want to do is to just click the A letters next to the website address and click on the privacy report, and here you are going to get everything that you have on the current website. So the Safari.com, there are two, as you can see, and also websites by trackers contacted. As you can see, we have a little bit more right here. So if you just want to get the privacy report really quickly, you don't need to go to the settings. You can just click on those letters and click privacy report, and you are going to get everything that you need to know. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit the like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.